Hey guys, welcome back to this video. Today, sorry about I said bass to this video. Today I'll be showing you how to download maps for Terraria. So at the top of the screen, you go into Go, and then you hold Alt, and then you go into Library, then Application Support, Terraria, and then you would go in Worlds if you don't have Mod Loader. But if you do have Mod Loader, you go into Mod Loader and then click on Worlds, and then you go into Safari and pick which world you want. So I'll download it from my website. Actually, this is a sneak peek. So yeah, here's my website. I'll leave a link to it down below in the description. So you would go click download on Curse Forge, and then you would drag it to your home screen. And then you would click that, and then you drag it into the World folder. Then you exit that out, and then you go into Terraria, which I have right here. Okay, and then let me fit this to the recorder. You click on single player, then you click on your character. Then you click on that world. It's called Easy Playthrough. Then you click play, and then it starts loading. Loading. I said loading. Okay, and then you got it. This is the infinite, and So please leave a like and subscribe. Bye!